From Clay to Eden, a masterclass in complete compound transformation. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm taking you on a journey through one of our most satisfying projects. We're talking about taking a raw, under-compound design and turning it into a stunner. There is no curb appeal here. The environment actually detracts from the structure. But where you see an eyesore, we saw an opportunity for total transformation. Our goal? To create a compound that doesn't just accompany the house, but dramatically elevates it. Let's break down how we got here, piece by piece, focusing on design, paving, and selection. This transformation is about strategic planning and intentional landscaping. Design philosophy, the flow and hierarchy. The very first thing we did was look at the flow. Instead of a straight, boring driveway, we designed a sweeping curved path that creates intrigue and guides you. The core philosophy was geometric contrast. We took the hard lines of the house and the rectangular site and contrasted them with fluid organic curves in the hardscaping and softscaping. 1. Paving and hardscaping, the backbone. The biggest game changer was the paving. Instead of a single color, we used these multi-toned red, charcoal, beige, interlocking pavers arranged in a precise geometric pattern. 2. The grass and lawn, the negative space. Look at that lawn, no more wild weeds. We brought in a lush, sodded lawn, but notice how it's used. We didn't just blanket the entire yard. We carved out irregular organic shapes within the lawn. 3. Plant selection, architecture in green. We were very deliberate with the vertical elements. Instead of just planting bushes, we selected plants with architectural shape. 4. Flowers and color palette, the contrast. For the garden beds, we used contrasting color bands. We mixed vibrant lavenders, deep marigolds, and mixed colorful annuals to create rich, layered textures within the curved beds. But finally, and most importantly, the compound's impact on the house. Look at the main house again. By itself, it was fine. But now, framed by a gorgeous entrance gate, set against a stunning patterned drive, and embraced by a textured, multi-layered garden. The house looks grander, cleaner, and significantly more valuable. The landscaping makes the architecture pop. It changes the entire context of the property. A stunning compound doesn't just look pretty, it changes how you experience a property. It adds definition, a sense of ownership, and it dramatically increases the value and presence of your home. If your house feels like just a building on a piece of land, a thoughtful landscape design is what makes it a home. Thanks for following the journey. Let us know in the comments what your favorite element of this design is. See you next time.